Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to block someone on WhatsApp. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to block a person on WhatsApp, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your WhatsApp. After you opened your WhatsApp, you will then be able to see all your contacts right here. So what I want you to do is to find the contact that you want to block. And once you've found it, I want you to long press the account. After long pressing, next, I want you to tap the three dots on the top right corner. After that, you will now be able to see the block option right here. Just tap it. And then WhatsApp will send you a confirmation if you really want to block the account. Just tap block if you're already sure that you want to block it. And then after that, it's done. The contact will now be blocked. And if you've decided to unblock the contact, just repeat the same step as we did when blocking the account. And then the account will now be unblocked. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.